In this video, I'll show you how you can fix VAC was unable to verify your game session in Counter-Strike 2. Now first what you want to do is click up here and go to settings. In here you want to head over to your downloads and clear download cache. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is head over to storage, click right here and repair library. Close this down, head over to library, find Counter-Strike 2, right click, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files. Now after you've done that, what you want to do is come down here and search for task manager. In here, go to details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press S. Now here you want to look for Steam, so see steam.exe, and task, and all the Steam web helpers, close them if they don't automatically close. Now after you close down everything on Steam, what you want to do is find our Steam folder. So simply right click on Steam, head over to open file location, and in here when you have found Steam, what you want to do is right click on steam.exe, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come down here and you want to search for your Windows firewall. So find Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature, change settings, and in here you want to look for Counter-Strike. So if you have Counter-Strike 2 right here, it's no problem. Just simply allow it right there. If you cannot find it, what you can do is press allow another app, browse, and head over to your Steam folder. Now I have my Steam right here. Go into Steam apps, common, and then find the game. Counter-Strike Global Offensive, game, bin, Windows 64, and select cs2.exe. Press open and then add it, and make sure both of these are ticked. After you've done that, just press OK, restart your PC, and hopefully it should work now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.